Okay, so I'm going to continue with assignment 3. We were getting close, but I've gone in, put in all my paragraph tags, so they're all in there. And I'll finish my styling now. So again, we've got background color, we've got our font family, and our font sizes. Now I noticed, as I said, a lot of people did inline styling, which means, for instance, to make my H1 red, I could go into the tag itself and do style equal, and then in quotes, inside of quotes, I do color colon red, save that, and when I preview it, I've got a red headline. Okay. So those certainly work, but the drawback is if I had several H1s, I'd have to do it in every one. In this case, I've got a lot of paragraphs that I might want to format. It's harder to find things if you need to change them. So there are very few occasions where we really need to do this kind of inline styling, but almost always it's better to do the styling in a style sheet. So up here I've got my H1 style, and I'm going to put my style in here, color red, semicolon, and save that. And just make sure it worked. And there it is, red headline. So they both do the same thing, but this in general is a better way to do it because I've got all of my style information in one place. And when it comes to something like paragraphs, I just do it in one place. So for our paragraphs, we don't have to put in the Palatino because we've already put that in for everything. And I'll show you how we could change it if we needed to. But let's set our font size to 15 points. And our leading in HTML, CSS, it's called line height. And I'll make that 20 points. And save that. And now let's see what that looks like. Okay, so you see my type's a little bigger. It's got a little more vertical space in it. Generally easier to read. It's still going a long way across the page because it's just filling out the window. It's going to scroll. But basically I've got something that's fairly legible. And this is really what we wanted for assignment 3. So I'm going to make sure I save this. So I've got that. That would be what I submitted. And now I'm going to do a save as. And I'm going to do a underscore V2. This is going to be my second version. That I'm going to add some things to this file, so it's kind of our starting point, and I'll save that. So the next tutorial I'll put up is going to be starting with this file. So make sure you've got the file like this ready to go with whatever mistakes you may have made, or if you have inline styles, we want to get rid of all those. We want this kind of setup. And then we're going to add things like a header and a footer and a content area and various things with our styling. So get it to this point, and then later today, or maybe in the morning, since I have class tonight, I'll post the general outline of the next assignment, and I'll post a video showing how the things we're going to add to this basic file. So that's it.